Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We see that we have the square root of s, with another function in here. So for this one, I need to do about factorization. Similar for this one, because this one multiplied by this one, they will be like this. Similar for this one, next, the square root of s we put outside. Similar for this one, so this one we have the square root of s. This one we have another the square root of s. Now we need to simplify on numerator and denominator. So we see that the square root of s is smaller than s. So when s approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to number 0. This one we have 1 divided by positive infinity. You got 0. And now we have the final answer. And we have number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.